Now the next step of simplification of a grammar, that is the last step, that is removal of unit production. As in the last video we have already seen, after the removal of null productions or empty productions, it will generate some of the unit productions. Okay, so first we will see what is meant by unit productions. Okay, so if we have the productions of the type A tends to B, okay, means at the left hand side we have only one variable always. But if and in the body part of any of the productions, if we have a single variable only, okay, so that means that is the unit productions. Okay, so if we have production, so rule for removal of unit productions. So basis, if A tends to A is a unit pair of any variable A, then A star A by 0 steps. Okay, so A is reachable by itself, that is the basis. And what is meant by induction? If we have production of the type A tends to B and again we have B tends to C, then we can directly write that is A tends to C as the transitive property. Okay, so we will take one example to get it clear. Okay, so here we have listed the grammar. So we have here the transitions like S tends to T. Okay, so T is the single variable present at the RHS of the given production. Again I tends to F is unit production, then again F tends to T is unit production, and lastly we have only T tends to 0 1. Okay, but it is not a unit production. Okay, so if we want to remove them, so instead of directly writing S tends to T, okay, so we will write it as S tends to 0 I 1 I, and instead of T I'll put the exact value of the production of the T. So instead of T I'll put the productions of T here. So T tends to 0 1, so I'll write here 0 1 only. Okay, now next I have unit production, that is I tends to F. So instead of F I'll write the value of F. Okay, so value of F is again 1 and T, and F is in terms of T again. So instead of writing T here, I'll write here value of T, that is 0 1. I tends to 0 S, then 0 0. First value of F is 1 and second value of F is T. So instead of T I'll write 0 1 according to the transitivity property. Okay, now next F tends to 1 is terminal, so we cannot replace it. Okay, so instead of F tends to T I'll put value of T over here. Okay, and lastly we will add T tends to 0 1. Okay, so this will be our resultant grammar that does not contain any kind of unit productions. So we have removed here all unit productions according to the transitivity property. Okay, so hope so you have understood all the steps of simplification of a grammar and when you can apply which step. So sequence matters in this simplification process for getting better results. Okay, so if you have any queries, then please comment on it and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.